Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another day of wrapping my car. It's day 4. Today we're gonna try to wrap a quarter panel and some doors. Hopefully we can finish one side so we can do the other side tomorrow. And then for the next weekend, I'm just gonna have some small little things left to do. So let's start wrapping. Let's go. So we started laying the quarter panel down. First we did the big piece in the middle, and then we kind of went up and down until the whole quarter panel was finished, and then we started going all the way down to the bottom line of the quarter panel. That's where we had the most trouble, I feel like, because it was just not laying. Mainly because the door is in the way, so you kind of have to tuck the vinyl in. There's in the middle, the door is just in the way. But other than that, it laid kind of easily. It's just that part was kind of hard. And then I just trimmed everything at the bottom. It's super easy. You just run the knife on the pan, like in the hole between the battery protection and the body panel itself. So there's a little hole. You just push the knife inside and run all the way to the end with one. You can even do it with one cut. It's pretty simple. Once we finished that, we took the trim off the door, and then we started laying the door. The doors were super easy. As you see, we're laying the middle section first, just to make it easier. And then on this door, we went down, and then we went up. So that's how we did the door. Then we used some heat gun where where the vinyl was a little bit stretched, and then I cut the excess off, as well as here's the passenger door with a quarter panel. Looks fire. And it only took us 2 hours to do this door, so I guess another 2 for this door. Actually, like 2.5, because we have to take off the mirror. We laid the middle section again, and then laid the bottom and then top part, and then I trimmed everything. It took us like 20 minutes for the door, or like 30 actually. So we have done so far the 2 doors, the quarter panel, and right now we're finishing up on the side mirror. I'm just so tired, and there was one spot where I stretched it too much, so I just asked my dad to try to finish it. But anyway, we've done a lot today, but hopefully we still have time to do this part, so we can do the same amount tomorrow on the other side, and then the next week we can finish up the back bumper, hood, and then start tinting headlights and painting calipers and all that stuff. So hopefully by next weekend my car is gonna be fully done, and yeah, pretty hype. Let me show you guys what we have so far. So this is what we did today: the quarter panel, 2 doors, and the side mirror that's about to go back here. My dad's working on it right there, finishing it up, and hopefully this piece on top, so the whole side is going to be complete. And then, like I said, the back bumper for next weekend, and then this side for tomorrow, and should be good. Hey guys, welcome back. So we just wrapped the day today, and I'm on my way home. So far, as you guys saw, we finished one side of the car, and we're gonna do the other side tomorrow. Hopefully we have enough time and we start early enough so we can do the top 2 panels, because we didn't finish one panel on the right side. So with that said, I have a couple of problems right now. One being that I don't have enough wrap, and so basically I just have a piece that's almost enough for a hood, but not really. So I need to buy more, and the size I need for the back bumper is $80, which sucks because the whole car was around 300, or the whole roll that I got, which was almost enough for the whole car. So one bumper is gonna be $80, but unfortunately they don't have that size in stock, so I don't really know what to do. I'm gonna do some research. Maybe I'll find one of that size for the back bumper. What the fuck, stupid monkey. And then once I wrap the back bumper, I'm not sure what to wrap the hood with. I can either get 5 foot by 25, which is gonna be enough for both, but I don't know, 25 is basically half of what I got. My first roll was 5 by 50, so 5 by 25 is almost 200. It's gonna be 200 with taxes. So yeah, the wrap is gonna come to like 500 if I ordered that 5 by 25. But I'm thinking of doing 5 by 10 if I find that size for the bumper, because I need like 4 by 9 for the bumper, so 5 by 10 should be more than enough. And then I'm thinking of wrapping my hood black, like matte black or gloss black. I'm not sure right now. I'm gonna also do some research on that, see which one looks best and fits better for my car. And then I'm gonna order some wrap. Hopefully it gets here during next week, so I can install it next weekend. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Hopefully I find a good size, and I make a good choice on this, because I really want to finish the bumper next weekend, and the hood most likely gonna be black, but we'll see. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm super tired and really don't want to do it tomorrow, but well, you gotta do what you gotta do. If you want to enjoy your car and you want to do some custom stuff, you better go do it, even if you're tired. But anyway, how I see it is that if you're not making like 3,000 a week, you shouldn't be like wrapping your car. There's no point. But unless you do a DIY like I'm doing right now. So eventually in the future, if I get another car and I'm gonna be making 3,000 a week, then I'm definitely just gonna go with a professional wrap, because it takes so much time. It takes like a week to do it approximately. So if I give it to a shop, and in that time period that it takes to wrap the car, I can just make that 3,000. It's gonna be better, worth it, and I'm just not gonna be killing myself by wrapping the car. So yeah, on that note, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.